A 2-year-long global investigation brought to light the hidden wealth of famous figures around the world, ranging from politicians to sports personalities, through the controversial Pandora Papers revelations. The findings have had somewhat of an impact on Sri Lanka as well, with two of its citizens, namely former Minister Nirupama Rajapaksa and her spouse Thirukumar Nadesan, exposed. The documents have shown that the duo used shell companies to purchase luxury apartments in both London and Sydney and make investments across the world. As per the expose, Nadesan's personal wealth has been estimated at a staggering $160 million. On the heels of these developments, President Gotabaya Rajapaksa today called for an immediate investigation into the matter, with the Bribery Commission tasked with leading the probe. Meanwhile, the matter was also taken up during today's cabinet media briefing.
The President has categorically stated the fact that we will initiate an investigation in relation to this claim, and also he has instructed the Director General of Bribery and Corruption Commission to investigate and provide a comprehensive report within 1 month's time. Now this has come to the limelight. We have to check and see whether the second offer is available now. True that we brought in that special act to bring money which was not disclosed earlier, but this is an entirely different scenario. I can't say offhand whether we can accept that or not at this particular moment. First, we have to look at the timelines, because the main allegation is that this had happened during our time. So first we have to ensure that whether this has happened during our time or whether it happened before 2005. That's one line of investigation. And secondarily, there is no offense of having a foreign account. So once we conclude those investigations, we can look into the second aspect of it. It has to be decided after some time.
Meanwhile, Thirukumar Nadesan has written to the President and called for an immediate investigation into the matter through the appointment of an independent investigator. In his letter, Nadesan assures that he and his wife are innocent and have not been involved in any wrongdoing. Meanwhile, several complaints were received by the Bribery Commission today from attorneys and civil society activists calling for an investigation into Rajapaksa and Nadesan. The matter was also once again taken up in Parliament as well, with opposition leader Sajith Premadasa calling for the government to use international investigation agencies to probe the duo.
මේ වංචාවට සම්බන්ධ සියලුම දෙනා එක මිටට හෙළිදරව් කළ යුතුයි. මේ අරමුදල් කාගේද? කොහෙන්ද ඉපයුවේ? මේ සියල්ල පිළිබඳව සත්‍ය රටට හෙළිදරව් විය යුතුයි. ඒ සඳහා ජාත්‍යන්තර පිළිගැනීමකට ලක්ව තිබෙන මේ පරීක්ෂණ කණ්ඩායම ස්කොට්ලන්ඩ් යාඩ් හෝ වේවා විනිවිද භාවයෙන් යුක්ත වූ පරීක්ෂණයක් පවත්වලා සත්‍යය රටට හෙළිදරව් කරන්නයි කියලා මම යෝජනා කරනවා.
පැන්ඩෝරා පේපර්ස් සම්බන්ධයෙන් ලෝකයේ මත දෙකක් තියෙනවා. සමහරු කියනවා මේක හරි කියලා, සමහරු මේක වැරදි කියලා කියනවා. හැබැයි කෙසේ වෙතත් දෙන්නෙක්ට චෝදනා එල්ල වෙලා තියෙනවා. හැබැයි ඒක කියවලා බැලුවම 1990 98 අතර. ඒ කියන්නේ රණසිංහ ප්‍රේමදාස මහත්තයාගේ ආණ්ඩුවයි චන්ද්‍රිකා බණ්ඩාරනායක මැතිණියගේ ආණ්ඩුවයි කාලේ කරපු ගණදිනු ගැන තමයි තියෙන්නේ. 2005න් පස්සේ කිසිම ගණදිනුවක් ගැන ඒවයි සඳහන් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඉතින් ඒ පිළිබඳව මම හිතන්නේ ඒ අයත් උත්තර දෙන්න ඕනේ.
දැන් මේ තත්ත්වයට ඔවුන්ට හැකියාවක් තියෙනව නේද 100ට දෙකක් ගෙවලා ඔය සල්ලි ලංකාවට ගේන්න.
නෑ ඉතින් අපරාධයක් කරලා තියෙන බවට සාක්ෂි තියෙනවනම් ඒක කරන්න බෑ. ඒ මුදල් කිසිසේත් ඒ පනත පාවිච්චි කරමින් අපේ ආර්ථිකයට ඇතුළු කිරීමට ඉඩ කඩ නැහැ.
Pocket එකට ෆිට වෙන new Axe Ticket perfume